TSMC smashed profit forecasts in the fourth quarter as the AI boom continued. The world's main producer of advanced AI chips said Thursday profits jumped 35% to $16 billion during the October to December period. It further predicted strong growth this year and said it was working on building more US manufacturing capacity. The Taiwanese firm, which counts Nvidia and Apple as major customers, announced plans last year to invest $100 billion in the US. That was on top of $65 billion pledged for 3 plants in the state of Arizona. TSMC said more land had been bought in the state. The New York Times has also reported the Trump administration is close to a trade deal with Taiwan. It aims to reduce its tariff rate to 15%, and Washington wants TSMC to commit to building at least 5 more facilities in Arizona. Looking ahead, TSMC believes first quarter revenue could surge as much as 40% from a year earlier to $35.8 billion. The AI boom has helped TSMC outshine its rivals, and its Taipei-listed shares jumped 44% last year. The firm's stock is up around 9% so far this year.